local priest makes his first appearance in court after a grand jury indicted him on 9 counts of rape from 30 years ago.
Father Geoffrey Drew was a music minister when the accuser, a 10-year-old boy, says he was raped several times over 1988 and into 1991. Christian Hauser shows us what happened during today's arraignment.
State of Ohio versus Geoffrey Drew.
Father Geoffrey Drew was led into court in handcuffs. His lawyer entered a not guilty plea for him on the 9 counts of rape he's been charged with. Then it was time for his bond. The prosecutor asked for a high amount because they believe Drew is a flight risk. After all, he's facing spending the rest of his life behind bars if convicted.
He knows that the state means business on this case, that we are going to seek a high penalty on him, and we do worry that he will leave the jurisdiction.
But Drew's defense attorney disagrees.
Given the fact that he has no criminal history, hasn't demonstrated to be a flight risk with other investigations that occurred before this one, we're just asking that a bond be set relative to others in his position.
In the end, though, Judge Leslie Giz agreed with the prosecution.
I'm going to set bond at $5 million straight.
This is a reminder to parents to talk to your kids about abuse and let your children know that they can and should talk to you if something happens. Psychologist Stuart Bassman says most perpetrators choose children because they think they'll be able to get away with abusing them. He says it's important for parents to believe your child if they come to you and say something happened.
They don't have the words to describe what happened to them. I'll repeat that because I have worked with so many children, so many adults that were abused as children who said, I didn't have the words to say, Father so-and-so abused me. I didn't have the words to express what he did to me.
Hamilton County Prosecutor Joe Dieter says that there could be more victims out there, and he wants them to call Cincinnati police if they were abused. Now listen to this. Changes in Ohio law extended the amount of time that victims have to come forward. But if the accuser in this case had waited another 2 years, criminal charges would not have been filed. Cammie, back to you.
All right, Christian, thank you. And Geoffrey Drew is due back in court on September 11th.